What is the best way to quickly get rid of hiccups every time? I have thought about this and I have researched a little bit, and the first way to get rid of hiccups without quickly is to try to drink water from the other side of the cup. That means bending over and sipping out the other way on the other side. So I kind of demonstrate that next. I wanted to share one other way that I've learned, that I've used my whole life, and that's just to take a teaspoon of sugar, put it in your mouth, and let it dissolve slowly. And that's always helped get rid of hiccups for me. If this information was useful to you, then I would like you to like my video, share it, make a comment, and down below I have another option for earning money on online. If you're interested, take a look. I found it very good, and it's a great group of people. Thank you.